Yo, YouTube, it's your boy Jared, the one, the only one. Back on the video, yes sir, today, man. Recently just picked them up at Champs, man. The J. Cole Dreamer joints, man. I love them a lot. I love them. I'm gonna start a little collection of them. He's one of my favorite rappers of all time, for sure. So, not further ado, man, let's get to the video. You know my channel, hit that like and subscribe button for your boy. I definitely appreciate it, man. We almost at the 1K mark. We almost at 1K, man. I can't believe it that I'm getting even closer and closer, man. It's like a blessing to me, for real, honestly, because it's like in the position that I'm in right now, you know what I'm saying? I came a long way mentally, physically, for real. Came through and ran through it. I went through a lot, really. I should say that. I really went through a lot last year. Still kind of going through stuff right now this year, but at the same time, I'm not going to let that stop me, for real. You know, so I'm going to keep working, keep doing what I got to do. Also get to my ultimate goal, it's 1K, and also keep going, keep jumping the steps, you know what I'm saying? So I want to bring y'all along the journey with me, you know what I'm saying? Because right now, this, like, y'all see them back, I ain't got the biggest collection. I'm starting somewhere, you know what I'm saying? I want to bring y'all with me. Appreciate y'all for bottom. I'm gonna say this every video because I really do appreciate y'all. Bottom of my heart, I really do appreciate the likes, y'all subscribing. Even if you're not subscribing to my channel, you comment, just know that you're paying attention to my video. I definitely appreciate that, man. That means a lot to me. Bottom of my heart, I definitely appreciate that. Even when y'all follow me on Instagram, all that stuff, I definitely appreciate that, man, for sure. I definitely do. Like I said, I'm only growing mentally, physically, and I also bring y'all on a journey with me. So I'm gonna say that every video. That's just how I am. But anyway, not get all emotional, sensitive, all that stuff, man. Let's get into this video, man. Like I said, like and subscribe if you're new, road to 1K, baby. Let's get to it. Like and subscribe, man. Let's get into the video. Dreamer joints, man. I recently picked these up at Champs. And it's crazy, when I went in there, usually when I go into stores, I just see what they got most of the time, because nowadays it's kind of harder to shop in store because one, they don't really get a lot of stuff as much as they used to be because, you know, COVID and all that stuff going on. But these caught my eye. So these J. Cole Dreamers, in case y'all don't know what they look like, I'm gonna show y'all in a couple of minutes, or a couple seconds, I should say, but I'm gonna get in discussion. But I turned around because you know how Champs set up. It's like they got one side, they got Mans, and then the other side is like Pumas and stuff like that. So I happened to turn around. I seen J. Cole Dreamer. So hold on. But usually most of the time they always have them in kids. It's my first time seeing them in the store. I'm like, hold on, wait a minute. I said, ooh, size 11 and a half, 12. Like I said it quick because I've been looking for a J. Cole Dreamer just see how they feel, how they look like, and everything like that. And it had 11 and a half. I said, shoot, let me give me care of that. And I tried them on. I'm like, oh, they bulky though. They make me feel super tall, you know what I'm saying? And it's a basketball shoe though. It's a basketball shoe. A lot of people don't even know about this shoe really as much. You know what I'm saying? Of course, if you're not big into shoes, you want to know who the Dreamer or J. Cole stuff. Of course, people might know who J. Cole is, but they did not know that he came out with a basketball shoe, especially with Puma. So I was like, man, let me grab these and do a review on these. So, and I grabbed them. The box super fire. I can't wait y'all show y'all this box. Box super fire. So not further ado, man, let's get to the video. Let's go ahead and get the shoe out. Let's get it. Yes, sir, man. Here go the J. Cole Dreamer joints, man. This box super fire, bro. One of my favorite rappers of all time. Look at the box. Clouds. Got the Puma. Got J. Cole. Got the Dreamer. This box is so fire, bro. And here go the back of it. So on the back, it'll show like US kids adult size, stuff like that. It's a US kids man size. So basically got a measurement. So in case y'all didn't know what size you wearing women, it show all that right here. This box fire. So it says on the color code, it says US 11 and a half, RS Dreamer, Summer Hustle, Fairy Red, Ribbon Red. Cool. And I got these, how much were they again? I forgot, retail like what, 110 or 120, I believe. So I was like, man, you know what, I also started a little collection of these because I like them a lot. So not further ado, let's get the shoe out. Also, I got on feet coming too. I ain't think I won't go do on feet for y'all. Come on, man. You know how to do this. No, man, you know how to do this. Also, let me show y'all the paper. Here go close up video of the paper. You know what I'm saying? Got Dreamer right there on there. Of course, like I said, got J. Cole on there as well. Like I said, just how the detail did with the box, paper, everything. A1 top shape. A1 top shape of this for sure. I definitely love them. Before I get the shoe out, man. Dang, I'm trying to get the right shoe, but it's cool. It's cool. It's cool. Bang. Here we go. The J. Cole Dreamer. They call them Blood, sweat, and tears. That's what they call them, blood, sweat, and tears. Here they go right here. Just let y'all know, I did wear these. I was thirsty. As soon as I got them, the next day I put them on. You can tell I was thirsty. So what? Oh well. I love them. I really, really do love these, man. I really do. Let me go ahead and get the other shoe out. They didn't come with another set of laces or nothing like that. But like I said, I love these joints, man. These things are hard. Like I said, there go both shoes. Ain't nothing mismatched, nothing different about it. Just go ahead and get the setup going. Love them J. Cole babies. And so talk about the shoe. So your outer sole, of course, like I said, I did wear these. It was a clear outer sole, you know what I'm saying? A little icy outer sole. Of course, you got your red little print right there as well. And on your old upper, it's all whole red upper as well, like I said. And of course, on around it, it's like a white lace. It's not a net, it's like a lace that gotta go around this way to all the way to the other side right here. So basically it's inside the shoe and it goes around, boom, 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 to right here. Also on the back, got the Dreamer J. Cole right there as well. And right here on the tongue, got the RSD, boom, right there as well. Now I'll take these out so y'all can see it better. So I got Dreamer. Let me take that sticker off of this so y'all can see it as well. So it says Puma basketball, and they got the Dreamer right there, and also got that blue right there as well. And on the inside, it had that was an inner sole, so that's the insole right there as well. Like I said, it's not too much detail of this shoe, you know what I'm saying? One thing I did peep, like this back part is so bulky, but I like the look of it. I don't know why, I just like the look of it. Like it's like a bulky look, but I like it a lot. I really, really do. I definitely do like the little bulky look of this shoe. Like I said, super dope, and it's actually comfortable. I might get another pair just to hoop in and just rock these. I might do that just to see how they feel with it, how they hoop and all that. But I feel like it will actually work. But one thing about it, they low cut shoes. I really don't like hooping low cut shoes, but I might try it. You know what? Comment down below. Let me know. I should start to test around basketball shoes, because that's what I do. If I don't make videos, something like that, that's my little therapy, little sanctuary. I love hooping, so I might do a little video. So, because I know my league supposed to start back up about 2-3 weeks, so I might start have somebody record. You know what I'm saying? League games, stuff like that. So, comment down below if you also want to see that. Comment down below if you like these, man. A lot of people a lot of people slept on this. I'm gonna start, like I said, I'm gonna start a little collection of this. I'm definitely gonna start a little collection. So I'm gonna do too much talking, man. Let's go get this on feet going, man. Like I said, these J. Cole Dreamer, Blood, Sweat, and Tears. I love these a lot. Definitely a must cop in my opinion. Definitely get your other one stamp of approval. Like I said, because he's my favorite rapper. So why wouldn't you get your favorite artist, whoever you love, LeBron, anything you want to get their shoes? Like Giannis, one of my favorite players. I hoop in his shoes. I got 2 pairs of hoop shoes. Why wouldn't you get your favorite player or whoever's shoes? So, like I said, man, ultimate goal is get to 1K, baby. Let's get to it. Got our own feet coming right now. So, without further ado, let's get his own feet going. Like and subscribe if you're new. BRB, man. Let's get to it. Let's get it.
Everything's a lie. You better ride this wave. Through GMO, they won't control your fucking souls. Let's say you better be worried about that, nigga. Instead of trying to be a little trap, nigga. Get your little ass thrown off the map, nigga. In my zone, just stating them facts, nigga. Million black men missing. Nobody talking about that. Even a lot of our women. Where the hell are they at? They dumb us down with nonsense. We run around unconscious. They gun us down and it's constant. Not a con, but a convict. Plenty OJs with the blind chicks. Get locked away with no binding. Some wide awake, but keep yawning. Not outcast, but we bombing. Over Baghdad, might have add that. No subtract that. Gotta stretch that. Move past that. Let's blast that. Just stretch that. Smash that. Slash that. Use black line as a hashtag. We coming back and I believe that. Straight D-Bo like I need that. Black hero with the ski mask. Roller cap with no knee pads. Michael Jack with the Thriller dance. Steph Curry with the shooting hand. Don't worry, we got a chance. This our house, this our land. I'ma do it. Like it's never.
Yes, sir. I'm back from my own feet. Yes, sir. Man, listen. I don't know. It's like something about these like I love. It's like the look of it. Like all red. Got that bulky look in the back, and I just love them a lot, really, all honesty. Like I said, I'm gonna start a little collection of these. I'm gonna collect them. So be on the lookout for. I'm gonna start a little collection of these J. Cole Dreamers. And yes, I'm gonna keep the boxes because I know I'm supposed to be moving soon, real soon. I say about a couple months from now, but I'm gonna have to clear, you know what I'm saying, the little clear cases. I want to keep these shoe boxes no more, but certain shoe boxes I'm gonna keep. I'm definitely gonna keep these. Like, I definitely keep the J. Cole Dreamer boxes, because that's a dope shoe box. You can never go wrong with that. Like, I got some LeBrons, I'm gonna keep them LeBron boxes. Like, certain boxes you just know what to keep. But the rest of my shoe boxes, bye-bye, see you, gone. I ain't keeping them. But point is, DJ Cole joints is hard. I'm gonna get another pair of the hoop in, just see how they feel, how they look on the court. But I like rocking certain hoop shoes, you know what I'm saying? Just to rock them, just to see how they different look. When I put them on, like I said, I did wear these like once or twice because I was thirsty to wear them. So what? I don't usually do that, but so what? People didn't know what they were. A lot of people was like, what are those? Like, what's these? And I said, these J. Cole Dreamers. Like, they basketball shoes, but I rock them just to rock them, you know what I'm saying? They were like, like that. It's different because I like wearing different stuff for real. I don't like wearing everybody else be wearing most of the time. So I like being different, like wearing like these, or I like wearing some Nikes or Air Max 1s, like just different stuff. Just throw at people, you know what I'm saying? So, like I said, these joints are hard. These definitely a must cop in my opinion. Like I said, I got these from Champs. So in case you wonder where I got these from, I got these from Champs. So if you're looking to get these, they got them on Puma site too. But the only ones I got on the Puma site is the black and white ones of these. I like them too, but they only got 16 and 17. Like, who the hell gonna fit that size? I can't fit that shit. Excuse my language, but I can't fit that, man. Come on now. But yeah, man, that's it for this video, man. Like I said, like and subscribe if you're new, man. Ultimate goal is get to 1K. Let's get that 1K, man. Appreciate the love and support from everybody. Come on, man. Come on, join JR1 family, man. Come on. And appreciate you, J. Cole, making these things, man. These things are hard. He supposed to be coming out some more J. Cole's, some highs, Puma Dunk highs. I'm gonna keep y'all posted on them. So go ahead, follow me on Instagram if you did, man. JR1's link down in the description. I'll subscribe to my bro channel, man. He coming up on the YouTube, you know what I'm saying? He ain't made no video yet. Don't know why he playing, but it's all good. So like I said, man, like and subscribe if you're new, man. JR1 is out. Peace.